Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video when the daily candle finished and the people, they been following us. We enter from here. Here we take profit. And as you see, guys, what happened today? The daily candle, it's showing us our analysis is highly accurate analysis, guys. As you see it, we tell you here, take profit here in the zone exactly here. In the last video, you can find it, guys. The last two videos, you can go back and watch them if you are new. By the way, if you are new here, you watching me now, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. As every day, guys, we put in for you two videos every day, two videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin. So if you are interested, you can join us and benefiting from all our analysis free, my friend. You don't need to pay nothing. And by the way, also we are professional people, not some other channels. They just copy from each other and no one of them don't got any relation to trading. Also that the job of us. Also we working in hedge funds, guys, and we give you very highly accurate signals, guys. Did you subscribe, my friend? Welcome to the family. So guys, what we said here, in that zone, also the last video we told you to enter from here. Now that candle here, what it's showing to you guys, that one here, by the way, that one, what it's showing, that one, it's showing there is a big power here. It pushing down, guys. Yes or no? There is a big selling off happening here. A lot of people, they want the Bitcoin to fall down, guys, more. Or it might that one just a trap. It just wanted for you to get scared and retail sellers to sell here and for them to push it high, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, but who going to tell you what is it there? Is our friend, guys. That one, look at it very close here. What you seeing, guys? Forget about the chart, just focus it with me here, guys. What you seeing here? Came a green, then it came a red here. What that indicating, guys? It's indicating true, there is big selling off happening here in that zone. When the people, they buy from here, they said near to the double, they selling there, guys. Everything is too clear, guys, and let me to show you my chart, what I got me for the picture to be more clear to you, what I got me in my chart, guys. Let's zoom it a little bit like that. What you seeing, guys? That level here we got with yellow, it's still very stronger, guys. Now where you need to make a close eye at the down level, that one, as you see it, guys, how I draw it from here and here, yes or no? That one, the down level, guys, every time he used to come to hit the price, he rejected up. So now we need to see that candle which is going tomorrow, how it's going to react to that level, if it's going to reject or not. Till now there is no buyers, guys. All that is just for scalpers and day traders, but for long-term investors, not yet, guys. Long-term investors, look where we are. That one, that white one, is the long-term trend, guys. That one also being followed from 2014. And every time he used to come to it like that, then he rejected up. But now what it did, he came to it here, he show here like that, then he fall down again. So what that indicating, guys? And now look at that level here. It's still very stronger level, guys. Came to that here, then after that he fall down. I think now the Bitcoin is going to go lower, guys, but we're going to update you what's going to happen in the coming days, guys. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos, guys. Or you can even join our Telegram channel if you want to notify very quick. You done it? Welcome to our family, my friend. Everything is too clear here, guys. So now, what is it, the view? I tell it to you. You got here before. I tell you that one. You got here a trend line. Now, also we still stuck under that level here. And that yellow level here, it's still reacting like a very stronger resistance, guys. And here, look at it. I show you those things before, but it's okay to repeat it. What did I told you me before here? I told you got a very clear head and shoulder, guys, like that. Look at it. Very clear head and shoulder, guys. And I told you the neckline is not a line, is a level. All that level, guys, from the low of that candle here. If it came and break in here in that zone, you're going to see the Bitcoin at 10K, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. And another thing, what did I told you in the past videos, guys? I told you the Bitcoin, it's always falling by a head and shoulder and going up by a triangle, guys. The head and shoulder, I just show it to you. Where is the triangle, guys? Look at it. Very clear triangle here, guys. Yes or no? Now, if it came and breaking for us here, you need to enter long, guys. Don't wait. If it came and breaking for you here, don't wait. Enter long. Should you enter long now? Not yet, guys. Because if you see the volume down here, who's still winning is only the reds, guys. From here, from that candle of the news, from that one here, who's still winning, guys, is only the reds. As you see it, every time we spike is the red, guys. And if you draw it like that, you saw it, it's still going up and up. That means the sellers, they're getting more powerful and they're getting more momentum, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So let me show you something else. What is coming tomorrow, the news and those things, for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, I know you are a subscriber to our channel. Did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it now, helping us. It can be the video, you watch it 100 people and the video got only 10 or 20 likes. Helping us, guys. If you watch the video, smash the like, guys. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. Let's see the coming news, guys. Here we are, guys. That's the coming news for tomorrow. So, as you see it here, by the way, all the times here, those ones, they are with GMT time, guys. So, you combine it with your local time, depending on where you are, or UTC time. So, make a close eye of those things. So what we got tomorrow, guys? At 1:30, today by night, we got retail sales of Australia. That one, it doesn't got a big impact at the crypto market. Then at 7:15 early in the morning, we got that the ECB President Lagarde speech. So even that one doesn't got a big reaction at the market, but we got something here stronger, guys. At 2 o'clock, what we got? Pending home sales for USA. Then at 2:15, what we got? Our friend, those days it's become our friend, the Fed Chair Powell, or Jerome Powell of the Federal Reserve of USA, is going to come to talk to us, try to find a way to go out from this crisis, guys. Then at 2:30, guys, we got something very important. The crisis of energy those days. The crude oil inventory. So you need to make a close eye at that one, guys, which is going to come at 2:30. How is going the market to react to it, guys? Everything is too clear, guys? Let me show you more for the picture to be more clear to you, because if you see in here, guys, what you see in here, look with me. The one here is the Dow Jones, guys. What it doing? It's red. The SP 500, what it doing? Same thing is red. The Nasdaq, surprise, today it's become green, guys. And I'm going to show you the VIX and the dollar index for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. It's going to show it to you. Here, guys, the VIX, what it doing here? Look at it. Is it 32, guys? And look where it reached. Look at it. And make a close eye with me. Look the VIX where it is, guys. It reached to the highest level we reached to it before. We are at 32, guys. Should you enter now? Only if you don't got brain or you are a mad person, you will enter and to invest now, guys. There is a big scariness in the market, guys. I'm talking here if you are a stock trader, if you are a cryptocurrency trader, no matter who you are, no matter what you're trading, guys. I'm not talking here about day traders and scalpers. I'm talking about investors. It's not the right time, guys. The VIX is 32, guys. You know what that means or not? It's too high, guys. And a lot of people, they are scared to put their money, guys. And what that indicating to you, guys, when you are at that level? It's indicating to you also we just began the world crisis we are in, guys. Or that recession crisis also we are in, guys. Remember my word. So, if you got cash, just try to keep more cash. No matter how much cash you have, is good, guys. When it came the time and the VIX it fall down, that's the right time for us to invest, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? Let me show you now the US dollar, what it's doing today for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. As you seeing, guys, what the US dollar doing today here, where we are. Reach till here, that's the peak. He fall down, then the Bitcoin is go up. But look where it is now. Is it at 114, guys? And what that indicating to you? That it's indicating, guys, that man, guys, the last resistance, it was here. It's being broken here in that zone. What happened here? It's being broken here. Look what happened. It came up, then now it came here. Here, it need that resistance it's being broke to react like a support. And that's what it's doing here. It's reacting like a support, guys. So now it needs to go up to break for us the last high, which is here, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. The US dollar It's still going up, guys. It's still going up, and there is no control for that, as you see it. Everything is too clear, guys? I want to show you something else for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one, guys, if you remember it, our friend, what I told you about it. That one, the people they been following us, they know what us we talking about that one. We said we got here a level between 20 and 5. Yes or no? And we said we got a level here between 60 and 45, guys, like that. What it did here, look at it. It touched it here. And I told you that zone here where we are is going to become like that zone here, because look where we're falling, we're coming from up, the same like here, guys. Now what you need to look at the trend line we have here, guys. Look at it. Every time he came, he touches here, he fall down. Now where you are in a very sensitive moment, guys. The fair and greed index is it at 20, guys. Should you buy now? I think it's going to fall down more than that, guys, because the coming news. Every day there is news, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, guys, what else we said about it? What else we said when it was here? Said he going to do the same like here. Yes or no? Now how many he give you? He give you 1, 2 down here, that the third one. Yes or no, guys? Now what the view? He need to fall down to give us second one down, then he will go up to give us the third one up, then after that there is a big falling, guys, to down here. Also we are not going to enter unless if it's become here at the oversold area, guys. That the places me where I enter. I enter from oversold, I take profit at the overbought. That's it. That's how us we trade, guys. Everything is too clear, guys? It's good to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you guys. That one here, what I told you me before. I told you got a very clear divergence here. Yes or no? And that's why also we enter, guys. And you got here a smaller one, guys, here and here. But what did I told you here about that indicator here? I told you need a price action, guys. What is the price action? The only price action you have here in the daily, I'm talking here about the daily, is it that one? Did it come and break it for you here? Not yet, guys. So we are not going to enter. That's what I'm telling you, guys. I tell you that one, it needs to be at the oversold area. It needs to give you here a very stronger level. And it needs to break for you the price action. The price action is it that one, guys. It hasn't become yet the time, guys, to enter for long-term investment. It needs the Bitcoin to come and to break for us that trend line here. If it came and break it, also we are going to enter. It might that oversold area to take long, guys, and that Bitcoin to fall down more than that. Also we are not going to enter unless if there is a price action here, guys. And what did I told you in the last video, guys? What did I told you here? Look at it. What did I told you here? Let's change it like that to the lines. What did I told you there? Look at it. It's very clear, guys, there. Look at it now. I told you got here a head and shoulder, guys. And I told you the neckline, is it that one here, guys? Did it break it? Not yet, guys. If it's breaking that one, enter long, guys. Take profit of you. It needs to be here at that zone here, as you see it. Everything is too clear, guys? Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin market doing today in the 4 hours, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. And please smash the like button, my friend. Helping us, guys. Helping us by smashing just the like button. It will not take you even 1 second, guys. Did you smash it, guys? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friend. And please, if you can, write a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Let's go now to see what the Bitcoin doing in the 4 hours, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, guys, in the 4 hours. In the 4 hours, I tell you here to take the profit. In the last video, you can find it in the last video. Here in that zone, we tell you to take profit. What happened? Look, and why we told you to enter from here? Why? Because we used to have here a wage, guys, like that. Yes or no? Yes, that one now here, he came to the top of that wage here, and he's showing like it's going to reverse up. Should you enter now? Not yet, guys. No. Why? Look here down. Who is winning? Only 2 candles, guys. They win or they take off all those green candles, guys. Everything is too clear? What I got me in my chart for me to show you everything, guys. What I got. Look, I got that level. I came to it. He touched it here. Then he fall down all that much, guys. Because professional people, that's how they trade, guys. They know where they are the supply and demand zones and where to take profit exactly. Now look where we are, guys. We are here. At man, we came back down. Then that yellow level. Now what that one going to do, guys, because the daily candle it just finished, it's going to come to touch here in the 4 hours, then after that it's going to drop, guys. Me I thinking the view is going to come tail down till here, till 17,207, guys. That's the level me I got them with red. It might is going to make a correction from here, from that level here, or that one here, because that one and that one they are the same. Can't draw them together like that. So I need to make a close eye at that level here, what is going to do the market there, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go to see our indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Here, guys, in our indicator, what I told you here. You remember what I told you here? I told you got a trend line like that. Look at that. It touch here, it touches here, and now he break it down, guys. But he's showing here in that level here, guys, there is a rejection here. Yes or no? Now should you enter? No, my friend. No, it's too late. Now it might don't want to come to touch that trend line here. Then after that, it's going to break for you the last low, which is here, guys. It might come just here. Then after that, it's going to come to break for you that last low, which is here, guys. Everything is too clear. But one thing, guys, if that one came and break in here, enter long, guys. That's when it's going to go up till the overbought area, guys, because we don't know what's going to happen. If it came and break in here, enter long, take profit. You take it when it touch here the overbought area, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's go to see our other indicator, guys, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. That one, guys, as you see it, that one will make the picture very clear to you where you are at the overbought area, guys. Don't enter now. It might from here to go back to the overbought area, guys, but also we don't enter from overbought. Also we enter only from the oversold area, guys. How we enter here, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go in now to 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing right now in 30 minutes for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes, and here in 30 minutes, look where we are. Look where you are, guys. Are in a very stronger level, yes or no? And what did I told you in the last video here? I told you I give you here a W. Told you if it's breaking the low, enter short. So the people they enter short, I tell you here in the 200 moving average, take the profit, guys. Yes or no? But if you're making a close eye with me here, what you seeing like that? What you seeing, guys? What the 200 moving average doing here? Look at it. Me, I'm trying to draw it like that for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. The 200 moving average, he do it like that, then he do it like that. What that? Man, here in that zone, guys, you are in a consolidation level, guys, or a sideways level. We don't know how long it's going to take like that, but the market is like that, how it doing, guys. Fall down, resting. Now the market is resting, guys. It might from that resting to go up, or it might from that resting to fall down. That's what you see now in the chart, guys. And that one is the best opportunity for day traders and scalpers. Now what the Bitcoin is going to do, guys, let's zoom it and see what we got here. Here in that zone, what you got, guys. What the Bitcoin try to give you here. Look at it like that and like that. The Bitcoin try to give you here a flag, guys. If you bring it like that from up, it's a flag, guys. Now if it's breaking down, you enter short. If it's breaking up, you enter long, guys. We're going to tell you where to enter, if to enter long or short. Is our indicator, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying here. Look at it, where you are. We are at the oversold area, guys. Yes or no? And when we are in the oversold area, what we're looking for? We're just looking for buy opportunities, guys. We forget about the short opportunities, guys, when we are at the oversold area. Now, the one, is it here at the oversold? Second thing, what is it? Level. Yes, you are in a very stronger level, guys. Third things, what is it? Price action, and I'll show it to you, guys. I'll show you that one here. Now, if it came and breaking for you here, long, here, enter long, guys. Take profit here, exactly in that level here. The last peak where it reached. Here, I'm talking about day traders and scalpers. I'm not talking about positional traders and swing traders. Stop loss, where are you going to put it, guys? Stop loss, you put it down here. Everything is too clear, guys. So if that one break here, and in the 4 hours that one break up, you enter long, guys. And we're going to come to update you in after the New York Open, guys. So make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on. So when we put in a new video, you're going to receive it, my friend. You done it? Welcome to the family, my friend. So I think that's it for today's video, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, guys.